I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, I will show you how to make an oriental style salad. I named it Double Sesame Salad. This is a very light salad. First, we roast the sesame on a dry hot pan until golden brown. Next, the vegetables need to be sliced, shaved and cut, just like how I show you here. Put all the vegetables into the mixing bowl. Sprinkle in some chili flakes. Drizzle in some sesame oil. Put in a light soy sauce. Toss them evenly in the mixing bowl. Once you have mixed the salad well, transfer it onto the serving plate. Sprinkle the roasted sesame onto the serving plate, and you've got your nice, refreshing double sesame salad. Okay, let's taste the salad that we just made. So simple to do. Look at the colors: the tomato, carrots, the green cucumber. This is Japanese cucumber, and with the chili flakes, sesame oil, and soya sauce. So easy to do. Okay. Taste of oriental, and especially the sesame seed. It gives a very nice taste to the salad. Okay. So, if I can cook, you can cook too. Just try it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing your comments. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.